Good morning students. Today I will solve the question of exercise 7.7 of chapter integral. But before solving the question, first explain some important formula. Some important formula, that is first integration of under root x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 under root x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log modulus of x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. Next, under integration of under root a square minus x square dx x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus c. It is the formula to use solve the question of exercise 7.7. There is no required for proving this, but we can easily prove this formula also. But in this exercise there is no requirement to prove this formula. Only use the concept of this, we can easily find the solution of all question given exercise 7.7. So first we take the question number third. Integrate the function under root x square plus 4x plus 6. Integrate the function under root x square plus 4x plus 6. That is in bracket in square root here given a quadratic equation, that is x square plus 4x plus 6. But here is not quadratic. So first we convert x square plus 4x plus 6 in either of the form, either this or this, which is possible. So convert x square plus 4x plus 6 in the form of x square plus a square by using the concept of perfect square method. That is, take the function x square plus 4x plus 6 equal to x square. 4x is also write out the form 2 into 2 into x. This is also equal to 4x, and 6 divided into 2 parts, that is 4 plus 2. Clear? So this is also written of the form x square plus 2 into 2x plus 4 is also write of the form, that is 2 square. Clear? And 2 same as from x square plus 2 into x plus 2 square is same as, that is x plus 2 the whole square. That is, it is the expansion of x plus y whole square. Clear? A square x square plus y square plus 2xy. And 2 right same as, it is also written of the form, that is x plus 2 the whole square plus 2 is also written of the form under root 2 the whole square. This and this are same. There is no difference. 2 is also same as under root 2 square. Suppose it is equation number first. Clear? Next, put x plus 2 is equal to t. X plus 2 is equal to t. So differentiate it with respect to x, we get, that is d upon dx. X plus 2 is equal to dt upon dx. Differentiation of x is equal to 1 and differentiation of 2, that is constant term, is 0. So here dt upon dx. 1 plus 0, that is 1. Send dx in left side, we get dx is equal to dt. Clear? So it is suppose equation number 2. So first equation number first and equation number 2, that is x plus 4x plus 6, x square plus 4x plus 6 is converted in the form of this, and dx is converted in the form of dt. Using these equation first and 2 in given questions, that is integration of under root x square plus 4x plus 6 dx is equal to, using equation first, x square plus 4x plus 6, using this is equal to this, that is x plus 2 whole square plus under root 2 square dx. After this, use the supposition, that is put x plus 2 is equal to 2, x plus 2 is equal to t, so that is t square, and dx is equal to dt, replace dx by dt. Clear? So we get under integration of under root t square plus under root 2 square dt. It is the same as, that is, first formula which is written, that is, integrate this is also equal to, by using the formula first, that is x by 2, here x is t, that is t by 2, in bracket, that is square root of t square plus under root 2 chi square, that is x by 2 under root x square plus a square by 2. Here a is equal to under root 2, so a square by 2, that is under root 2 square by 2. Log in modulus, that is x here t, that is t, plus under root x square plus a square, that is under root x square means t square plus under root 2 square. Clear? Modulus closed, that is c. Put the value of t from here in this, we get, put the value of, that is, put the value of x plus 2 is equal to 2. In this, we get the required integration of the quotient, that is integration of x square plus 4x plus 6 is equal to dx. Clear? If you have any doubt, clear concept? So you can easily solve this type of question by using the given two formula. First we converting the completing square method if it is not given, and after use the supposition. Finally we get the solution of the given questions. Clear?